Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Forge for Minecraft. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you're going to want to go ahead and close the launcher and then just open up your favorite browser. Okay, after once that's done, go ahead and find Forge. Okay, Forge for Minecraft, just like so. Hit on enter. Now go ahead and click on downloads for Minecraft Forge right here. Okay. Now you're going to want to select your game version. For example, you have the 1.21.11 for your Minecraft. Okay, let's just go ahead and check it out. Right here, as you can see, my latest release that is available right here is 1.21.11. So that means we are going to download the same exact version. So click on installer right here. Wait for a new page to pop up. Do not click on download right here. Notice at the top right, we have this little countdown. So just wait for it until you have the skip button. Okay. So you're going to want to click on skip right here. So this one, by the way, at the center is just ads. And as you can see here at the top right, the download process is done. Now, close the browser. Go and find your downloads tab or section. There you go. I'm just going to move it on my desktop. So here we have Forge. As you can see here, it got a coffee icon. This is actually a Java icon. Now, if you don't have this option, when you go ahead and right click on it and then tap on open with, you should have a Java platform SE binary. Now, if you don't have that, don't worry. Again, open up your browser and just type down Java, okay, or Java download. Now go ahead and click on the ones from Oracle. Okay, click on it. Now in here, just go ahead and scroll down, select Windows right here on these tabs, and just select the installer. Okay, 64-bit. There you go. Download it, install it. It's pretty easy. Okay, just follow simple prompts, and once that's done, when you go ahead and right click on this one, you should now have the Java platform. Okay, so once you have it, double click on the Forge installer. Wait for it to load, and then once it loads, as you can see, it should pop up this window. Now just select install client. Okay. Now hit on OK. Now it says here successfully installed client profile Forge version 1.21.11. So just hit on OK. Now if you want to check if it works, by the way, you can now go ahead and delete these two. Okay. Go ahead and open up Minecraft. There you go. As you can see here, Forge is now available. When you go ahead and go to the top under installations, okay, you should be able to see Forge and the mods section right here, or the folder. Okay, if you don't have this mods folder, you can just go ahead and create a new one, new folder, name it mods. Now transfer the mod packs right here, and after that, click on play under Forge, and you should be good to go. And that is it. That is how you download and install Forge for Minecraft. If you want to know more about modding, you can go ahead and check our channel out. We have a ton of videos about it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.